Save money. These were the first words my grandfather told me. When I heard that, I was shocked. Everyone say, save money, save for the future. But my grandfather smiled and said, no, don't save money, make money grow. Then he told me a story. In a small place, there lived an old man. People called him lazy because he spent his days sitting under the large tree, dreaming about becoming rich. He always said, one day I will open a shop. One day I will buy a cow. One day I will be a wealthy. But that day never came. A year passed. His family became poor. His wife worked hard every day, but there was never enough money. One night, his young grandson asked, Grandpa, do we have any bread? The cupboard was empty. No bread, no rice, nothing. That night, the old man realized a painful truth. Dreams alone cannot feed a family. Next morning, he went out and found work. He worked long hours under the hot sun. The work was difficult and pay was small, but at least he was earning something. Soon he started saving a few coins every week in a glass jar hidden under the bed. As the jar filled up, he felt proud. He believed his future will become secure. But one day, he took his saving to the market and discovered something disappointing. Price and increased. The money he had saved could buy much less than before. That when he understood another important lesson, saving money alone is not enough. A few days later, he noticed his neighbor selling eggs and milk. An idea came to his mind. What if buy chickens instead of keeping all his money in a jar? He invested. He brought a few chickens. At first, they produced only a few eggs. The family had some and sold the rest. With the extra money, they brought more chickens. Slowly, the numbers of eggs increased. Slowly, the income increased. Slowly, their lives improved. For the first time, the old man felt hopeful about the future. One day, holding an egg in his hand, he told his grandson, this egg is more powerful than jar of money. The boy looked surprised. The old man explained, money can lose value, money can disappear, but when money is used to build something productive, it can grow. For that day, he shared the same lesson of everyone he met. Never just save money, make money grow. At that lesson, my grandfather wanted to learn save is important, but building, investing, and creating a value are what true change lives. Even a small beginning today can create a much bigger future tomorrow. Thank you for listening. If you are enjoyed this video, please like my videos, subscribe to my channel, share it with someone who need this lesson. My name is Parvendra Kumar. You are listening to me. See you in next video. Love you all.